Right. In this first example then, the Martins wish to purchase a house selling for $249,000. The bank requires a 15% down payment payable to the seller and a payment of 2 points payable to the bank at the time of the closing. Right, so we're asked to determine a few different things. So the first thing that we're looking for is our down payment. Just like we saw in previous sections, our down payment is the same. We're going to take our percent times our whole. Right, so in this case, we are told that the bank requires a 15% down payment. So that's going to be 0.15 after we shift our decimal 2 places. Our whole is the selling price. So that is the $249,000. Right. We are going to multiply these together and we get a down payment of $37,350. So that is our 15% down payment. Right, determine the amount of the Martins' mortgage. Again, as we've done in previous sections, we're going to take our down payment amount and subtract it from our original selling price. So our loan or mortgage amount $249,000 minus $37,350. That is going to give us $211,650. So that's the amount of the mortgage. The points determine the cost of the 2 points paid by the Martins on their mortgage. Our points is also a basic percent formula. So kind of thinking about, as we've talked about different formulas, make a little note here. So we could say points equals percent times the loan amount. So in this case, our points is going to be the 2%. Right, so each point represents a percent. So 2 points is 2%, times the amount of the loan, which is that $211,650 from Part B. And that is going to give us $4,233. Right? So again, points are interest that are prepaid by the buyer and may be used to reduce the stated interest rate the lender charges. Right? So again, finding our down payment, finding the amount of loan is very similar to some problems that we worked on in the previous section. And then finding our points, again, is just using our basic percent formula. Right? Part equals percent times whole.